Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is John Paul D. Oliver. Today, gagawin natin ang mukbang vlog. But this is a speed eating challenge. So, yung kakainin ko na mabilis is 14 pieces of hot dog. Ayan. So, napakadami niya guys. So, kakainin ko ito ng mabilis with my favorite combo, ketchup. So, this is part 2 of speed eating challenge featuring hot dog. Okay, ayan guys. So, okay, let's start. So, lagyan muna natin ng madaming ketchup. Ooh, look at that guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Gagawa muna ako ng thumbnail. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ba? Oh, ito yung ketchup, itong hotdog. So, let's start. So, gagawa muna ako ng thumbnail guys. As in thumbnail. Hindi pa ako nakakawa ng thumbnail, gagi. Eto. Ano? Ba? Parang gano'n lang siya. Ayan. Okay. Okay, let's start to eat na ng mabilis. Are you ready guys? 1, 2, 3, go. Mm. Mm. Ah. Mm. 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 Yan. Tingnan mo guys, oh, ketchup. Ah. Wala na. Yan. Wala na. So, grabe. Yung ketchup ko yung sa bibig ko. Wala na, di ba? Tignan yung dumi ng ano ko, dumi ng mukha ko, ang daming ketchup. Oh my god, magkakapimples na naman ako nito. Yung tignan nyo. Linisin natin. Linisin natin. Di ba? Oh my god, thank you Lord. Oh my God, sobrang ahang ng face ko. Ayun guys. Ano nito ba? Para na siyang skincare ko, para na siyang ano, para na siyang foundation, 'di ba? Tignan niyo, nagkaroon ng tone up effect, 'di ba? Mapula yung face ko, ayan guys. So, this is my second time of doing this speed eating challenge. So this is the second is yung maraming hotdog. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching my mukbang vlog, my speed eating challenge. But this is my mukbang vlog. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell para update kayo sa mga videos ko. And please comment, share, and like my videos for more mukbang coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye! Ay, wait, teka, yung nahulog, sayang. Ito yung ito yung nahulog. Tignan nyo kanina yung nahulog. Sayang. Kainin natin. Ayan, lagyan natin ng ketchup. Mmm. 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 Tubig na naman. Mmm. Bye-bye guys. Sorry. Nagustuhan mo ba? Gawin mo din, di ba? Bye.